Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Selvi Aulia Ramadhani and I'm from class 4D and my ring number is 12350303134. And here I will explain about the translation technique, which is the final exam assignment for the translation Indonesian English course. And here I will analyze the text entitled Culture in Indonesia. And the first is word for word. An example of the text is search language is Negara Kesatuan Republik Indonesia. NKRI merupakan negara kepulauan terbesar di dunia dengan jumlah pulau lebih dari 18.000 pulau. And then target language is the Unitary States of the Republic of Indonesia. NKRI is the large archipelagic country in the world with more than 18,000 islands. Using the word-for-word translation technique for the sentence, Negara Kesatuan Republik Indonesia (NKRI) merupakan negara kepulauan terbesar di dunia dengan jumlah pulau lebih dari 18.000 pulau. Has several reasons. First, accuracy of terminology is important in official or technical document to avoid change in meaning. This technique is also beneficial for language learners who want to understand sentence structure and vocabulary. And additionally, word for word translation can preserve cultural nuances that may be lost in free translations in contexts that require terminological consistency. This approach ensures the same terms are used throughout the document. While there are advantages, it is important to remember that this technique is not always suitable for all types of text, and more communicative translation are often more effective. And then search language is Indonesia merupakan negeri yang memiliki berbagai keunikan seperti seni tari, seni musik, seni rupa, dan seni teater. And the target language is Indonesia is a country that possesses various unique form of art such as dance, music, visual art, and theater. And then search language is rumah adat adalah bangunan yang memiliki ciri khas khusus digunakan untuk tempat hunian oleh suatu suku bangsa tertentu. And then target language is traditional house are buildings with specific characteristic used as residence by certain ethnic groups. And then the last is search language is senjata tradisional merupakan produk budaya yang lekat hubungannya dengan suatu masyarakat. And the target language is traditional weapons are cultural products closely related to a community. The sentence above used the word-for-word translation technique for several supporting reasons. First, the accuracy terminology is crucial, especially in the context of this sentence where terms like forms of art, traditional house, and traditional weapons have specific meanings that need to be preserved. By translating word for word, the original meaning of these terms remain intact. And word-for-word translation allows readers to see the structures of the sentence for the search language, which is beneficial for language learners who want to understand how sentences are constructed. And this techniques also helps maintain important cultural nuances. Although the translation may sometimes sound stiff in contexts that require consistency, word-for-word translation ensures that the same terms are used throughout the text, reducing confusion for readers. And then this approach provides transparency in the translation process, allowing readers to understand the relationship between the source language and the target language. While there are advantages to using this technique, it is important to remember that it is not always suitable for all types of text, and more communicative or idiomatic translation are often more effective. And then literal translation. An example of the text is search language is luas wilayah yang mencapai 5.193.252 km kilometer kubik. Ini berada di daerah Khatulistiwa dengan iklim tropis, membuat Indonesia memiliki keanekaragaman hayati yang sangat banyak. And the target language, its area is located on the equator with a tropical climate, making Indonesia rich in biodiversity. And then search language is penduduk Indonesia terdiri dari berbagai suku bangsa yang mempunyai berbagai bahasa daerah. Oleh sebab itu, tepatlah pendidik negara ini memantri semboyan Bhinneka Tunggal Ika yang mempunyai arti meskipun berbeda-beda tetapi tetap satu jua. And the target language is the population of Indonesia consists of various ethnic groups, each with its own regional language. Therefore, it is fitting that the educators of this nation instead the motto Bhinneka Tunggal Ika, which means though diverse we are one. And then search language is kesenian daerah di Indonesia pun sangat diapresiasi oleh orang-orang mancanegara. And the target language is regional arts in Indonesia are highly appreciated by people from abroad. And in search language, pakaian adat setiap daerah memiliki khas daerah tersendiri, and the target is traditional clothing from each region has its own unique characteristic. And the search language, rumah adat merupakan salah satu representasi kebudayaan yang paling tinggi dalam sebuah komunitas suku atau masyarakat. And the target language is traditional house are one of the highest representation of culture within a community or society. And I use literal translation. The sentence above use literal translation technique for several reasons. First, the accuracy of meaning is maintained, ensuring that specific information remains clear. And second is the structure of the sentence from the search language is reserved, helping readers understand the relationship between ideas. And the third is consistent terminology is important in formal context, and literal translation ensures this consistency. And then this approach can preserve cultural nuances, although it may sometimes sound stiff. And then literal translation provides transparency in the translation process and is often prepared in formal or academic texts. However, it is important to remember that this approach is not always suitable for all types of text, and more communicative translation may be more effective in some cases. And then semantic translation. An example of the text is search language. Pakaian adat tradisional Indonesia merupakan salah satu kekayaan budaya yang dimiliki oleh negara Indonesia dan banyak dipuji oleh negara-negara lain. Then the target language is traditional clothing in Indonesia is one of the cultural treasures owned by the country and is highly praised by other nations. And search language is senjata tradisional kini menjadi identitas suatu bangsa yang turut memperkaya khazanah kebudayaan Nusantara, and the target language is traditional weapons have now become an identity of a nation that enriches the cultural heritage of the archipelago. And the sentence above use the semantic translation technique because this approach focuses on conveying the phrase's meaning and context of the original sentence, rather than just translating word for word. In the sentence about traditional clothing, the semantic translation successful captures the essence that this clothing is a cultural treasure recognized internationally, thus providing a different nuance. And similarly, in the sentence regarding traditional house, this translation emphasizes the importance of this house as representation of culture within society, reflecting the values and identity of the community. And then the sentence about traditional weapons illustrates how these weapons serves not only practical functions but also symbolize the identity of a nation that enriches its cultural heritage. By using semantic translation, the meaning and original nuances of the short text can be preserved, allowing readers to understand the broader cultural context. And then this text I use for this text I use communicative translation. The text employs a technique of communicative translation which focus on conveying the meaning and context of the original text in a way easily understood by the target audience without adhering strictly to a word-for-word structure from the search language. This approach is evident as the text is crafted with consideration for readers who may not be familiar with Indonesian culture, ensuring that the terms and phrases used are accessible and clear. For instance, the motto Bhinneka Tunggal Ika is explained in a way that allows readers to grasp its significance. The language use flows naturally in English, reflecting a more communicative writing style that enhances readability and engages the audience. And the translation successfully conveys the cultural nuances of Indonesian, such as the richness of its language, arts, and tradition in an informative and appealing manner. And then the use of communicative translation is this text enables to better understand and appreciate Indonesian culture without losing important meanings and context. And that's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.